In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS as a virtual camera. If you've ever wanted to bring overlays, scenes, or a cleaner webcam feed into your video calls or streaming software, this is the foundation you need. We'll keep it simple, practical, and focused so you can get results right away. First, open the OBS app on your computer. OBS, short for Open Broadcaster Software, is free and widely used for live streaming and recording. Make sure you're on a recent version so everything looks familiar and the virtual camera feature is available. When OBS opens, you'll see your scene on the left and the sources panel just beside it. Think of a scene as your canvas and sources as the elements you place on that canvas. Next, in the sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Video Capture Device. This is what brings your physical camera into OBS. You'll be prompted to give this source a name. Pick something you'll recognize later, like webcam or main camera, then confirm by selecting OK. Clear names help a lot if you add multiple devices or switch setups in the future. After that, choose your actual camera from the device drop-down. This might be the built-in webcam or an external USB camera.